Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Discover It. This is Arya Singh, and today we will discuss about the main thing of this chapter 8 is the question answer. Okay, so indicate whether true or false. So the answer will be unicellular organisms have only one cell, true. Muscle cell are branched, true. The basic living unit of an organism is an organ, false. Amoeba has an irregular shape, true. Question number 2. Make a sketch of human nerve cell. What function do nerve cell perform? Function of nerve cell. The function of the nerve cell is to receive and transfer message. It helps to control and coordinate the working of different parts of the body. Write a short note on cytoplasm and nucleus of a cell. I have written here. The jelly-like substance found between the nucleus and the cell membrane is called cytoplasm. It is made up of basic elements like CHOH. Various other components like organelles like mitochondria, Golgi bodies of cell are present in cytoplasm. Nucleus of a cell is an important component of the living cell. It is located at the center of the cell. It is separated from the cytoplasm by a membrane called nuclear membrane. It contains genetic material. Which part of the cell contain organelle? Cytoplasm will be contained. Make a sketch of plant cell and animal cell and state difference. I have made here, and you have to state some difference. So, the outermost covering of the cell wall and it is made of cellulose. Okay? The outermost covering of animal cell is the plasma membrane. Plastid are present in plant cell, plastid are absent in animal cell. Large vacuole are present in plant cell, no or very small vacuole are present in animal cell. Its lack centrosomes or liposomes. This has centrosomes or liposomes. It lack यानी इसके पास नहीं होता है पर इसके पास होता है. Question number 6. State the difference between the eukaryote and prokaryotes. So what is the major difference? State here. Eukaryote possess membrane bound organelles. Prokaryote lack membrane bound organelles. Nucleus of the cell has nuclear membrane. Example, higher plant and animal. Nucleus is not bonded by membrane. Example, bacteria and blue-green algae. So, question number 7. What are chromosomes found in a cell? State their function. Chromosomes are present in the nucleus. Their function to carry genes in their offspring. Cells are the basic structural unit. How? Different cell combine to form tissues and tissue combine to form organs. Similarly, organ combine to form body. They are termed as the basic structural unit of living organisms. Chromoplast and plastic required for the food making process called photosynthesis, and thus they are only present in plant cell. Okay, so the number of question is only 9, so I will complete today the whole chapter 9 will be completed today. If you like this video, tap the like button to subscribe my channel, and if you are new on my channel, tap the bell icon also. From this side, Arya, thank you and happy Navratra to you all.